This time I introduced two simple and easy rice balls made with beef and onions. First one is oyster sauce beef and onion stir-fry bowl. Today we got some delicious looking beef from New Zealand. These days I often buy less fatty meat for our health. This was tender and very tasty meat. The key is to cut the beef into thin slices like this. Seasoning will be done later, but it's important to season here. Put sake, soy sauce, potato starch, salt and pepper. Mix well and rub it into the beef so that the potato starch does not clump together. Allow it to soak in while you prepare the other vegetable and sauce. Today I like to add asparagus in addition to onions. I think it's better to cut the onion this small so that they can be easily cooked. Asparagus is one of the few vegetables with the umami component. The root is hard, so cut it and shave off some more. You can also add other vegetables of your choice, such as broccoli with the asparagus. But please keep the amount to this level. Let's make the sauce. Put water, sake, mirin, oyster sauce, shantan, chicken stock powder, sugar, and soy sauce. Mix well. In a pot or a pan, add olive oil and cook beef first. By the way, I recently noticed that fatty meats are more popular in Japan than in Western countries. In your country, is it easier to get lean meat like this than fatty meat? Perhaps it's because we are used to beef with a fair amount of fat, but lean meat like this sometimes tastes bland. But it was so good when seasoned this way that I will definitely repeat it. Stir fry the beef until it changes color completely. This is taken at once. Add onions and stir fry. There is some oil left in the pan, so I let the onions absorb it. However, I washed the pan once because I was concerned about burning. I think I was able to transfer the flavor from the oil and beef left in the pot to the onions. Onions were stir-fried over medium heat for a total of about 2 minutes. In the end, it got burned again, but it's okay. Add the asparagus. Asparagus cooks quickly, so you only need to fry it for about 1 minute. Return the beef to the pot. Then add the sauce. Mix well. You want to thicken this a little, so prepare the potato starch. Put a little less than a teaspoon of potato starch in a small bowl and add water to dissolve well. Add about twice as much water as potato starch. Dissolve well and then add to the pot. Stir well immediately. Stir fry over high heat for 1 minute. When it thickens a little, it's ready. If it's not thick enough, add just a little more potato starch dissolved in water. Serve the rice in a bowl and arrange the meat on top. Finish by topping with rare pickled ginger. Next bowl is super quick Gyudon beef bowl. We have introduced Gyudon several times before, but this time it's a super simple version that is really ready in an instant. The key is to use more garlic this time. Japanese garlic often has these spots that are quite large or green in color, so I remove them. Sometimes people ask me in the comments why I remove the garlic spot. I heard it's not poisonous, but it burns easily and is bad, so I don't put it in. The onions should be about half the amount of beef. Again, cut into smaller pieces. This is a green onion used as a topping. This time it's beef with fatty meat, popular in Japan. Speaking of gyudon, this is the meat. This was sold as being for sukiyaki. Use thinly sliced beef of your choice. It was a little big, so I cut it with scissors. First, oil the pot or fry pan and stir-fry onion. Stir-frying at high temperature improves flavor and reduces cooking time compared to boiling. Once it has softened to some degree, take it out. I fried mine for about 2 minutes. Next, put garlic, sake, mirin, soy sauce, and sugar. Mix well and bring to a light boil. Add beef and stir fry over low heat. I do this because I believe that frying over low heat makes the meat softer and juicier. You can make it however you like. I was actually going to crisp the garlic in olive oil before adding the beef and seasonings, but I decided to go with this style because I wanted to reduce the amount of oil. When the beef has changed color about halfway through, return the onion to the pot. Stir-fry the beef and onion in such a way that the beef and onion absorb the sauce thoroughly. The onions are cooked to some extent beforehand, so it's ready if the beef is cooked through. It would be nice to make a beef bowl by boiling it in broth, but that would require a lot of seasonings and the broth would be left over and would be a waste. The good thing about this style is that it can be made with only a small amount of seasoning. Top with an egg if desired. In Japan, cheese, grated daikon, kimchi, and other toppings are popular in beef bowls. It would be interesting to try to match everyone's preferences. The garlic flavor was fantastic. Please give it a try. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. If you are already a subscriber and would like to support our channel, please join our membership. Membership feedback will be reflected in content creation. See you in the next video.